This video contains day and night driving footage from the 70mm A810S 2-channel dash camera. The front camera is a 4K ultra high definition camera with HDR support, and it has a CPL filter, and the rear camera is a 1080p full high definition camera with no CPL filter with HDR support. Thought I'd give you driving samples from the same location day and night so you can see what it looks like in the day and at night.